Hey guys, this is Yusuf with That Tech though, and I have an exclusive unboxing of the OnePlus 5T, and I'm quite excited about this because this is the limited edition SANDSTONE variant. So let's quickly get this unboxed. This is going to be basically the same thing that we've seen in the OnePlus 5, but this has the taller 6-inch device and same specs. So 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabyte of storage, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. You get the Snapdragon 835. You get the dual lens camera, but this time they both have the same focal length, so they're going to be working on better low light shots from what I remember. Now quickly getting this opened up, and first thing first is the beautiful presentation from OnePlus. I really do like their box presentation, it's very nice. So here it is. This is the OnePlus 5T. It seems quite cool. I like the red accent slider button. Now in the hand it actually feels quite odd. It doesn't feel like a SANDSTONE feeling. I don't know. I think the OnePlus 2, the original OnePlus phones had a better feeling, and I got the Pixel 2 right next to me just to see the difference between them. And personally I think the Pixel 2 does feel better. I'll quickly take that sticker off. Now bringing back that phone here, it does look nice in white, but the thing is, this texture, to be honest with you, it is not SANDSTONE. If you take a closer look, it's more of a wallpaper, almost like a Dbrand skin, you can say. But I think Dbrand in a way actually done a better job. So you got a black volume rocker, a red slider for the priority notifications. Obviously the fingerprint scanners on the back because they don't have it on the front anymore because you got the longer screen. On the other side you have the SIM card tray and the power button. I'm going to quickly put that on and let's hopefully find some juice in it. Do we have any juice? I think I didn't press it correctly. Let's try that again. Cool, we are in. Now I'm going to quickly speed this up so we can quickly get into the device. And here we go. Welcome screen, the usual setup. I'm going to set up a new fresh device. Skip all these other things here. Choose a pattern to do the face unlock. So face unlock is asking for permissions. Here we go. Okay, maybe I need to go a bit more closer. Got to go out of the view for a second. Okay, that was quick. That's fairly quick. Agree to all of that. And here it is. This is the 5T. And I've got to say the minimal bezels here are pretty cool. What I don't like about it, and that's my opinion, is that the white you can still see on the side, and I guess you see that on the Pixel 2 XL. I'm just not a big fan of white. I just got it here just to see the textured material, which I was excited about, and unfortunately it does disappoint. Now the usual stock Android Oxygen OS on top, and you got the OnePlus shelf, the usual stuff here. Nothing too crazy. Would I do a full review? I'm not too sure. I mean, the OnePlus 5, an excellent phone. The 5T obviously is going to be a little better, but this is just going to be more talking about the texture of the skin and the way the phone looks, really. So I gotta say it's decent. There's nothing really too fancy about it. It just has a really odd material. It is not a SANDSTONE material. I'm actually very disappointed by that, and I think not many people are going to miss out that they didn't get the exclusive 5T in this SANDSTONE variant. So this is my quick unboxing of the OnePlus 5T. I hope you guys liked it. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.